In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads. Whether you're looking to boost your brand's presence, launch a new product, or drive traffic to your website, mastering the art of Facebook advertising is crucial in today's digital age. So grab your notebook and let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating an effective Facebook ad campaign. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is where the magic begins. The Facebook Business Manager acts as the control room for your advertising activities on Facebook. Once you're there, you're going to log in using your Facebook credentials. It's a simple process that links your advertising activities to your Facebook profile. Once logged in, choose the account you wish to use for this ad campaign. If you manage multiple accounts, ensure you select the right one to avoid any mishaps down the line. Now on the lower left panel of your screen, you'll see an option labelled Ads. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Ads Manager. The Ads Manager is where you'll spend most of your time. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through the creation process with ease. To get started on your campaign, you're going to need to go into the Campaign section. You'll find this by clicking on Campaigns within the Ads Manager. Next, focus your attention on the Ads section. This is where you'll craft the individual ads that make up your campaign. Once you're in the Ads section, look for the Create button. This is your first concrete step towards bringing your ad to life. Choosing the goal for your ad is crucial. For our purposes, let's select Engagement. This option is perfect for increasing interactions on your ad, which can range from likes and shares to comments. It helps in creating a buzz around your product or service. After selecting Engagement, you'll be prompted to click on Continue. This moves you forward in the ad creation process, taking you to the next phase where you set up the specifics of your campaign. It includes defining your audience, budget and schedule. Just a tip, take your time here. Understanding and correctly setting up these parameters is pivotal to your ad success. As you proceed, you will again click on Continue, which will take you to a section where you can choose the look and feel of your ad. This is where creativity comes into play. Select Next to advance, where you'll set your budget. Remember, you don't have to break the bank. Facebook ads can be incredibly efficient even with modest budgets. Click Next after setting your budget, taking you to the Ad Creative section. This is the fun part. Here you'll define the creative aspects of your ad, including imagery, video, text and call to action buttons. Once in the Ad Creative section, select Setup Creative. This is your cue to let your creative juices flow. Now it's time to choose Video Ad. Videos are compelling, they can tell a story in a way that static images simply can't. Upload your video by clicking on Upload. Browse your computer for the video file you intend to use and select it. After uploading, you may find that your video needs trimming to ensure it captures the viewer's attention right from the start. Trim it as necessary, making sure it's concise yet powerful. Post trimming, click Next to proceed. Editing your video is an essential step. It allows you to add finishing touches that can significantly enhance its appeal. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Next. This takes you to the final stages of the ad creation process. Here you'll add your headline and the text that will accompany your video. These textual elements are crucial as they give context to your video, making it more engaging and relevant to your target audience. Once done, click Next. This action will lead you to review your ad. Take a moment to ensure everything is perfect, from the visual elements to the text. Finally, once you're confident that your ad is ready to make an impact, hit Publish. Congratulations, you've just created a Facebook video ad. With your ad now live, it's all about monitoring its performance and making adjustments as necessary to ensure it reaches its full potential. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on creating a Facebook ad. Remember, the world of Facebook advertising is dynamic and there's always something new to learn. So keep experimenting, keep learning and most importantly, keep creating. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.